Hey guys, it's me, PC Mitchell's here. Um, this is got to do with a post I posted on Facebook, and this is supposed to be the most joyful, happy time of the year, but unfortunately, in car audio, it's not. A lot of people can't get off of their bitterness, their negativity, and their constant bashing all the time. Point for instance, oh, if you guys can see that, but that is my Sky High car audio RCAs that I bought from Mr. John Rabe. Good friend of mine. I've done business with him for a long time. John's a great guy, and he's a hell of a good guy to do business with. And what I couldn't figure out yesterday is why people was bashing Sky High car audio RCAs and trying to tell me how much more better full tilt, how much more better full tilt in DD is better than Sky High, and I don't know why. I mean, guys, I'm tired of the negativity. I'm tired of the bashing. Stop it. I'm a firm believer in it's your money, your build, your equipment, your hardware that you choose to put in your build. That's all that should matter. Now, to me, I chose Sky High for a reason. I've been running Sky High for many years. I'm done business with John with John Rabe and Sky High Car Audio for a long time. And like I said, he is a hell of a good friend, great guy to do business with. And as for you guys that didn't catch up on his Black Friday sale going on that he had going on last night, the man was there until sometime in the wee hours of like 1 o'clock in the morning at the Sky High warehouse, and they were plus that they were busy all day yesterday too, shipping out orders. Now, and one of the things that I love about Sky High Car Audio is that is that what you pay for your product, you get the fastest shipping time possible, and they get it out, and they get it out quick. They don't play around there at Sky High Car Audio. Now, I'm not telling you guys what brand of car audio to run. I'm just saying, for me, the choice is Sky High Car Audio. And like I said before, it's your money, your build, your equipment, your hardware. Nothing else should matter except for how you choose to put together your system. And as for RCAs, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter who's got the better RCAs. It doesn't. It really doesn't. I don't, and it doesn't matter if you have Sky High. It doesn't matter if you have DD. What's DD stand for anyway? Double D's, or a full tilt. I understand my good friend and brother, Mr. Kyle Rutherford. He runs those in Clippo. Kyle's another great friend of mine. Some people run Rockford Fosgate. Some people run. The brand list goes on and on. Guys, it's time we get back to the power of positivity and happiness. There's many brands. Many brands. One love, one passion to get stupid, crazy, insane, loud. And I, for one, am doing just that. I don't care what anyone else thinks about my build. People, and so far as my sub, as my equipment is concerned, people can bash on my Crescendo equipment all day long. I don't give a care. Because I'm doing what makes me happy. What puts a smile on my face. I have the satisfaction of I did everything myself. Nobody gave me nothing. No, I had to save up my money for every piece of equipment I got, and that gives me a better sense of appreciation for the equipment that I have and run. I couldn't, and I couldn't be blessed with a better company than Crescendo Audio. Naveed, John Kent, and all the others, and all the others down there at Crescendo Audio in Sarasota, Florida. I love you guys. You guys are the best. I can't wait to get back down to Florida. But yeah, guys, just turn down the volume on the bashing, and yeah, turn down the volume on the bashing and the negativity. Man, I worked too hard to help build a basic community that I'm proud to live in, to be in. And come 2020, I'm coming back. I'm making a triumphant resurrection comeback like no one else has seen before. Oh yeah, another thing. I want to show you guys this. Travis Boyd made this for me. That one end of this connects onto my slam panda knob, which is right here. Yeah, we got 4 of them right here. And 2 of them plug in. 2 of them plugged into, and two of them plug into the back of of the head unit, and then just plug in like that, and you're ready to rock. Um, uh, and this other end of it plugs into my RCA. I got it plugs into one of my ends on my RCAs. But yeah, guys. In case some of you seen my bass knob before, I love this Zachary Zachary over there at Slam Panda Systems does an amazing work. And Mike Sims made that bass knob for me. I can't wait to get using this thing. But yeah, guys, let's all get along and don't be bashing on people when your fellow brethren has a new piece of equipment. Don't kick him down for it, and don't criticize him for it, and don't put him under scrutiny for it, because we don't need that. Leave the hate and bashing out of car audio, and let's bring in the power of positivity and love. But anyways, guys, I've went on too long. But I will be back with more and new videos and new content. But for now, I'm PSA Mental saying please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel. And for now, I'm the only PSA Mentalist out. Oh yeah, make sure you bang the hell out of that bell. That way that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Talk to you later, guys.